Okay, another unboxing video here. So this is a Pindo palm, or a jelly palm that I ordered, and just want to show how that comes. So this is from, as you can see there, fastgrowingtrees.com. Had some pretty good luck ordering trees from those guys. They do a good job with customer service and pick up the problems. So I ordered this from them as well. And you can see here, there is the Pindo palm. So we have also a set of directions here, some coupons for more dollars off for other people to buy the plants, and that's it. So that's what's in the box there. Little package, and this is the Amazon invoice. That's it. So that's what came in there.